What are you up to, eh? What are you up to? Give me the ball. Come on, give me the ball. Peace and quiet eventually comes. Sometimes it takes years. Sometimes you have to go through lots of shit. Sometimes life is an education process, especially in relation to the male-female dynamic of our modern world. You soon realise, after being red-pilled and looking at the modern world and how it's been infected by various philosophies, not just feminism, but various philosophies, but certainly feminism well and truly caters to the absolute worst in female nature: spitefulness, vindictiveness, bitterness, resentfulness, never-ending anger and resentment, and constant desire to get back at the person that they usually falsely believe have wronged them. And of course, in a lot of cases, that means using children as a weapon against their father. The amount of fathers out there that don't get to see their kids and have no contact, all because of the system that we live within, that just automatically caters to the spiteful vindictiveness of female nature. Look at the frangipanis, aren't they beautiful? They smell incredible. So smile, gentlemen. There is always a light at the end of the tunnel. This is where my Heavenly Father has brought me at this point in time. Peace and quiet, endless views of the mountains in the background. They just go all the way around. Good neighbours, not too far down the road, all within, say, 100 metres of each other, but quiet enough and peaceful enough and private enough, with a good enough size block that I'm completely private here. All you can see across the road is bush. There's another road on the other side with other acreage properties, but none of them can see me, and vice versa. But yeah, I guess I just wanted to say that I'm like many guys. I've been through absolute hell. Still being forced to pay child support that she could be, for all you know, spending on wine every week. And yet you don't get to see your kids. I can only hope that that'll change in the future, but even if it doesn't in this life, I know that in the life to come, because His justice is perfect, that she will be sorry for what she's done. They all will, and they'll be forever changed. Not mouthy or aggressive or rude. They'll be quiet and respectful, as they should be. Peace. Hear the train in the background? All the cane trains. Beautiful part of the world, this part. Away from the madness of modern society as well. Take it easy. Keep taking those red pills. Keep passing on those red pills through social media or in any other way you can to make more and more men aware. As one video indicated today that was done by a female, the amount of memes that were done by men absolutely relishing in the Johnny Depp trial and how he annihilated her is a strong indication of just how many men there are out there that have gone through similar situations or can see it for themselves and don't want any part to do with it. Sure, some MGTOWs will be players and will sleep around. Some guys are the opposite to that. It all means different things to different people. That's why it's called men going their own way. Your way of dealing with the crises and the situation of the modern world might be slightly different to mine. But one thing we all have in common: we don't trust this culture, this legal system, this society, or the entitled, vindictive, bitchy females that exist within it. Until next time, have a great day. See ya.